Good afternoon, students. Welcome to e-learning class. Students, this is your computer period. Today, we will start new lesson number 11. Lesson name is Computer Work at Various Places. Students, open your book, page number 104. So, let's start our study. Students, I hope you all have opened your computer book, page number 104. Lesson number 11. Lesson name is Computer at Various Places. Okay, it's mean we use computer from many places like home, school, office, uh, in police station, hotel, shops, and etc. Okay, we discuss one by one. Computers are very useful in various fields. They are used in schools, hospital, hotel, banks, schools, offices, and many other places. Let us know about their uses in some important places. Home. Computer can be used to watch video and play games. And home we can use computer for watching the movies, playing games, record the monthly expenses, and we it help to do homework. Whatever the homework you want from the school, you will do with the help of computer. Now next point is school. Teacher teach the lessons and evaluate the test paper with the help of the computer. It helps to make the report card. It provides space to store data of the school library in the proper form and help to keep the records of the books. In school, the teacher will prepare the test paper from the computer and they will also make the report card. And in library, can record the books, how many books are issues and how many books are returned, and many things. We use computer in the school. Now next point is shop and hotel. Computers help the shopkeeper to keep records of the stock and prepare bill. Students, when you go to the shops for shopping, you will what you can do, you can purchase the items and you will get the bills, okay, with the help of computer. And next is these are used in hotels to keep the records of the visitor, customers, and the other things. When you go to outside the country or you will go outside the station, and you will go to the hotel for a stay, the receptionist was record your name and ID number, phone number. They will record the visitor, customers, and other things. How many visitors are come, and how many visitor are go from their hotels. They will record, and you will do online shopping with the help of your computer. It helps the online shopkeepers to sell the product without visiting the shops. You will see the Nika. You don't go to buy the products. You order, your product will come to the home. Next is office. Nowadays, in office, computers are used to various types of work, such as to keep record of the employee. It used to type the documents and print them on paper. It used to send the documents and letters through the internet. In office, computer will keep the records for the employee, how many employees in the office, how many workers in the office, and they will print out the paper of the documents. They will send also the messages or letter through the internet. Okay. Now come to the next page, that is 106. Hospital. Computer helps the doctors to examine the patient. It is used to control the machines in the hospital. It helps to prepare the patient medical reports. In hospital, they can use the examine the patient. They control the machines of the in the hospital, and the doctors were see the prepare the patient medical report also. Next is airport and report railway station. In railway station, computer are used for booking the tickets and journey in the train or flights. It helps to check the status of the arrival and departure of the train and flights. Okay. Reservation means advance booking of seats or places. Now come to next page, that is 107. Bank. Computer are used in banks to keep the maintain the accounts of the customer. It helps the customers to withdraw money from the ATM. ATM is a short form of the automatic teller machine. It also helps to compute the interest on the deposit money and deduction of the services charged from the customer account. In bank, we can go for the saving the money. Okay, in banks to keep the maintain of the records of the customer, how many accounts in their bank, and they will withdraw the money from the ATM, and they will cut the charges of the customer's account. Now next, space and research. Computer helped in launching satellites, rockets, and compute their observation. It helps to monitoring the space shuttles, rockets, and satellites. Space and research, we can see in the news that on that day or on that day were launching the satellites, rockets. They will compute their observation in the computer. Okay, and it helps to monitor the shuttles, rockets, and satellites. When the rocket or satellites will go to the moon, they compute their, they will see in the computer that they will reach the moon or not, what the kinds of effects in there. Okay, now come to next page, page number 108. Print and electronic media. Computer help to design images that are used in electronic media. Nowadays, computers are being used for making books and short films more attractive for kids. In electronic media, we can use the computer for we can draw some pictures and print there and making some short films for attractive for the kids. In engineering, they are helpful for engineer in the making drawing and estimates. The automobile engineer make drawing of vehicles on the on a computer and make changes easily. The civil engineer make the drawing of a building and the bridge on the on a computer and makes the changes according to the requirement. The mechanical engineer make the drawing of a machine and motors on a computer and can make changes as required. In engineers, they can civil engineer were drawing the buildings and bridges, and they will change if they required some changes. They can change with the help of computer. Mechanical engineer also draw the pictures and machines, motors on the computer. If they are required to change that their designs, they can change their designs. So students, today explanation part will completed. Now we start some exercises also. So open your computer book, computer copy, new page, write today's date, class work, lesson number 11. Lesson name is computer at various places. Students, now open your computer copy. Students, I hope you all have opened your computer copy. So write today's date. Today's date is 4/2/2021. Write classwork, lesson number 11. Lesson name is computer at various places. Write question and answer. Underline the heading with the help of scale. Question number 1. Write the name of any 6 places where computer can be used. Answer: hospital, hotel, bank, airport, office, school, etc. Question number 2. What do you mean by reservation? Answer: reservation means advance booking of seats or places. Question number 3. Write one use of computer in each of the following field. Answer: bank. In bank, computers are used to keep records and maintain the account of customers. School. Computer help the teachers to teach lesson. Hospital. Computer help the doctors to examine the patient. Students, this is your classwork. You will write it in your classwork copy. Now, your homework is write fill in the blanks in your computer copy. First, computer dash to do homework. You will write help. Then, second, computer helps shopkeeper to keep records of the stock and dash bills. You will write the prepare. Third, ATM is a short form of dash automatic. You will write automatic teller machine. Then fourth, dash are very helpful in various fields. You will write computer. Fifth, computer are used to book tickets of journey in dash and dash. You will write trains and flights. After that, you will write true or false. First, computer helps to make the report cards. You will write true. Second, computer helps shopkeepers to control the machines in hospital. False. Third, computers are used to send the documents a letter through internet. You will write true. Fourth, computer help the doctors to examine the patient. Write true. Students, this is your homework. You will write it in your computer copy. If you have any problem, you will ask me. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.